Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different again, but before that I want to get into a little background story real quick. So I decided to be very strict with my diet and eliminate breads, pastas, sodas, candies, all that junk. And today was like my fourth day on that strict diet, I guess you could say. And lo and behold, this shows up in the mail. And it's, for those of you who don't know, it's the Munchpak, which is snacks from all over the world, like sweets, salty snacks, like everything. So I guess the universe doesn't want me to be healthy, but today we will be unboxing the Munchpak. Also, I'd like to welcome any of you who are new and who are viewing my videos for the first time. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos and give this video a thumbs up. And also thank you to all those who have supported and watched and liked my previous videos. I will leave those linked down below as well, and I will also leave the link to the Munchbox website down below as well. It is a subscription, so you can either choose to receive these Munchpaks like once a week, once every 2 weeks I'm pretty sure, or once a month, and it ranges from $9.99 a month to $40 something a month, depending on the size of the boxes. How it looks like is like this, and I will open it up. I just dropped something, didn't I? And I can't even reach. So what was on top of it was this cute little card that says "Made Just For You" by Ronnie. So shout out to Ronnie for creating my Munchpak. On the back it just says "Enter to win a free family pack." So that's pretty cute. And then there's wrapping paper that says Munchpak, which I think is so cute too. The goods. This is so much. Oh my gosh. The first thing I see is these nacho cheese especial. They're tortilla chips, and they are from Texas. Cool. So they're from Texas. And they look like this. Oh, also before I forget, they do have an app. I'll just show you 1 second. And it's called Munchpak Snack Scanner. So what you do is once you get your Munchpak, you download the app and you can start scanning your, like, I guess the barcodes for each snack, and you can save them on your phone, and you're able to purchase them from their website. Like if you really like something, let's just say I really like these nacho cheese tortilla chips, I can scan it and put it in my cart. Let's try it because I've never done this before. Okay, so my gosh, technology. Look at that, from the United States. Not sure if you can tell. So you can do that, which I think is so awesome. Like, cool. I'll do the taste. I'm not sure if I should taste them as I go. I'll taste them after. So we have that. Oh, and we have crunchy chip flavors with spicy jalapeno dill from the United Kingdom. So that's cool. Got lots of chips. And we have Italian bread sauce chips from China. That's pretty awesome. Guys, this feels like Christmas. Okay. Next, we have chewy and sweet gummy like strips made from real strawberries from the United Kingdom. It's cute. Next, we have fluffy and sweet croissant filled with custard cream from Italy. Ooh, yum. That looks delicious. Jelly tots. It's like they knew I like, oh, I was like, they're getting all my favorite things. Okay, so when you subscribe to the box, you can click it's like a survey, I guess you could say, with all your favorite things, like your preferred things and things that you don't like. And I put, of course, like gummies, chewy, sweets, sour, like all those things. So that's why. So it's like kind of tailored to your liking. So we have jelly tots from the United Kingdom as well. They look kind of sour. We have thin and crunchy crackers packed with spicy curry flavor. That's interesting. And it's from Malaysia. That is so cool. And that's right there. A corn stick. Crunchy corn sticks covered in sweet milk powder. Well, I'm probably gonna make my siblings try this with me. It's from South Korea because I'm lactose intolerant, so this is so cool. Okay, next we have fettuccine gummy. Chewy lemon flavored gummy strips with a hint of sour sugar. Cool, and this is from Japan. I'm excited to try those. Next we have Hawaiian Punch candy jellies, and these are from the United States. Okay, honestly, I really love candies from the United States. Like, I always like going to their Walmarts because you can find like so many things that they don't sell here in Canada. Like, I don't know, like French Toast Crunch cereal, Trick cereal, like all these different cool snacks. Next, we have Whistle candy. And this is from Japan. So hard candies that can be used as whistles. That's gonna be fun to try. Looks like that. Next we have tomato, onion, and oregano flavored crunchy crackers. Ooh, yum. Love crackers. That sounds so delicious. Not sure if you can see it. It's just so much, like never ending. Ali B Max. So it's a chocolate bar with coconut caramel and crunchy wafers. And it's from Poland. So another interesting thing that's cool about these snacks is that every snack has a little sticker on it that tells you what exactly it is and the country that it's coming from. I'm not sure if you can see it. So that's really cool. So like you know where everything's coming from. And also if they don't come with it, I'm pretty sure you can just scan it and see how much it was and like where it comes from. Next, it's chocolate romance. And this is a crunchy wafer filled with coated white chocolate. I love white chocolate. It's my weakness. Love it. And this comes from Bulgaria. Oh, sorry, this way. Yum, I love chocolate. Dang. Okay. Ooh, this is really cool packaging. No idea what this is. Where does on? It doesn't even have where it comes from. So what we can do is the app. 1 segundo. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is from Japan. And it says, only in Japan could you find milk flavored candy. These candies remind us of what it would be like to have vanilla ice cream in candy form. That is so awesome, and it's $4 for these. So I will show you that. Definitely something my siblings will try. Next, Pure Real Gummy. So this is another candy from Japan. It's chewy orange gummies that look like orange slices. That's so cute. I love cute things. Oh my gosh. I'm such a little kid. That's that. This is from Malaysia again. It's crunchy cookie wafer rolls filled with milk cream. Ooh. Sour and tangy gummies that are black currant. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Forgive me. Pitaya. Sorry. Don't judge me for pronouncing these wrong. And Lulo flavored. Okay. They're gummies, so I understand that. They're from Poland. This is so cool and cute. It's like an icy, like those slushy cups, but in miniature form. This is so freaking adorable. Dip and lick icy lollipop with candy powder. Blueberry, cherry, or watermelon lollipops that can be dipped into sour candy powder. This is from China. I'm excited to try that. Oh, and I got the cherry flavored. Then I got crunchy and small sweet butter flavored cookies. And these are from Japan. And then matcha green tea cream with a crunchy shell. These are from the US. They're Hello Panda matcha flavored. I've never actually tasted anything green tea flavored, so that should be interesting. Ooh, apple pie. Where does it come from? Well, this is why we have the app. And where's the barcode? Here it is. Okay, so this is from the United States. It's $2. And it says each pie has a perfectly crisp crust, sweet apple cinnamon filling, and is perfectly sized for the pie fiend on the go. And these are from the United Kingdom. They're chewy blackcurrant lemon, strawberry lime, and orange gummies. And these are from the United Kingdom. And then we have the crunchy and flaky glaze pastry filled with sweet custard cream. And these are from Italy. Yum. This looks so good. And last but not least, we have Dream Animals coconut flavored biscuits. Crunchy animal crackers flavored with sweet coconut. And this is from Japan. That's very cute. And that is it. That's all of the things that came inside the box. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my little niece to help me try some of these snacks. And Layla, hi. Do you want to try some snacks? Come. You want to play with my makeup? Of course, always. So everyone, this is my beautiful niece. Her name is Layla. Can you say hi to everyone? Say hi.
Hi.
Good job. Do you want to try some snacks? Yeah? Okay, so first we're going to try these animal crackers. Are you ready to try these crackers? Yeah? Okay. Look, it says horse. Oh my gosh, they have the name of the animal on the cookie. Here you go. Thanks. They're good. Want to try it? Do you like the cookie? Want more?
No.
I didn't like it. That was good. Very coconutty. Want to try these ones? So we are going to try the crunchy and small sweet butter flavored cookies from Japan. Are you going to sneeze?
No.
No? Want to get one? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like this one? So 2 thumbs up for Little Bear. They're really good. It's like a cookie that you'd have with like tea or something.
Hey.
Do you want gummies? Or you want to try the chips? She finished the entire thing. Next, we're gonna try the nacho cheese especial from Texas. Oh, and it's cool. It says it has no preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial ingredients, and it's gluten-free, non-GMO. That's awesome. Perfect. You want one? Thank you. Oh, that's a big piece. Maybe you'll share with Auntie. Do you like it?
I need one.
Do you like it? Her mom's gonna kill me. This is good. It's like Doritos but better. Isn't it? We've never had Doritos though. Oh, I'll clean it after. Oh, she wants more because she doesn't want it. She left this so she can get a new one. Okay, we're gonna try these ones, look. Next we will try the chewy lemon flavored gummy strips from Japan. Oh, and she's eating the cooked chip again. I'll let her finish it before I open something. Do you wanna finish that?
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna leave it there? Okay. Here, let me in half. Here. You don't like it? Very lemony. It just tastes like a lemon gummy. Next, we will try the chewy and sweet gummy-like strips made from real strawberries from the United Kingdom. So tiny, they look like little raisins. I can't really taste it. It's like, I'm not even gonna give it to my niece because it's too tiny. Next, we will try the chewy orange gummies that look like orange slices from Japan. Wanna take one?
Yeah.
Here you go. Take one. Good job. Did you just put the whole thing in your mouth? Ooh. They're good. You want another one? Let's try the other ones first. They're so good. And last but not least, we have the Hawaiian Punch candy jellies from the United States. I think we're gonna have to share this one because it's too much sugar for you, and Mama's gonna kill me. Ooh, that's huge. Just take a bite. You can't have a full one to yourself. Very chewy. An ordinary gummy. Here, if you want another one, you can have a bite. They're huge. Not the whole thing though, bub. What was your favorite one?
I keep.
Which one was it? This one?
Yeah.
What is this?
Okay.
A cheap. She calls them cheap. So Layla's favorite was the nacho cheese especial from Texas. Look, she keeps going for more. She just loves it. Auntie loves it too. Thanks for joining me, Layla. You wanna get down and go play? Thank you. Mwah. Can I have a kissies? Mwah. Say bye, everyone.
One.
Over here at the camera. Say bye, everyone.
One.